Alright, you bunch of beautiful people, it is T4 so many of you guys have been recommending me react to this Darshan massive entry from helicopter scene. And I thought, this has gotta be so freaking epic. Like the amount of people I've seen that wanted me to react to this has been so freaking sick, bro. This guy right here, he looks shook as hell, so I guess let's just get into it and see what we got, bro. Oh wait, I would also be really shook if I was getting chased by a couple of cars. Would be. They're literally having swords and everything. Yeah, keep running, bro. Somewhere, anywhere. My boy's gonna get chopped into small pieces of salad. Is he gonna? D-Bus gonna save him, right? Right? He's gonna save him. Gotta show off the kicks. Those are clean. Those are absolutely utterly freaking clean, bro. Gotta show them off. Pretty sure that shirt would just go into pieces, but that's okay. He saved. That was smooth. That was very goddamn smooth. I guess next time I get chased down the road by guys that want to slice me up, I'm gonna call D-Bus. He's got my back. Literally. He's just gonna grab my back and lift me into a helicopter and get me away. That was sick. Yo, I understand why so many people wanted me to see that. That's cute. That's both so freaking epic and so fucking wild at the same time. Yeah, I love that. That's sick, man. That is very freaking sick, man. And guys, I have been thinking about it, and if if we might maybe at some point in the future should do full movie reaction videos to the boy D-Bus, which specific movies would you guys want to see? This was sick, and if there's any other scenes that's on YouTube, let me know. I will more than happily check him out. This was wild, bro. He literally just swoops him out. That's too sick, man.